Hi, I'm going to show you how this can opener works. It works with batteries, and since I have a bad tennis elbow and I cannot use it, I'm going to use this kind, and I'm so excited to see how it works. First, I'm going to load the little gadget that it came with 4 AA batteries from Duracell. Been using Duracell for God knows long times, since I was a teenager. Okay, so the batteries are in. We're just gonna snap this shut. It has a little hole thing in here, and you just snap. And all I have to do is get my can opener, my can, put this on top of the can, I think, and press the button. I'm supposed to do the work for you. It's a little bit crooked, but I'm not sure if it's actually working. We'll see in just a second. Okay, so we open it, and voila, it actually worked. Amazing. I love this tiny little gadget from Yes You Can. You must get one today.
Okay, here's a problem that we're discovering with the Kitchen Mama. When you unpackage it, this plastic strip that covers the handle, when you lift this up, watch what happens to the brand name label. So if you're not watching that and you don't see it when you unbox it, you'll open this up and you'll think, oh, they sent me a used item because obviously somebody's palm has been pressed over here and they've used it so many times that the brand name has come off. Well, that's apparently not really what the problem is. The problem is that the vendor who supplied this vendor's plastic to cover their product, well, I guess it's their fault because the plastic is causing the way the plastic is applied. The adhesive. The way the adhesive is applied makes whatever the product name underneath come off.
I have to say, this is the best can opener I have ever used. And I've used a lot because I have to feed my diabetic dog some canned salmon every day. So I open cans every day. In this case, it's not salmon, but I think it'll be an easy demonstration. Here we go. You just set it, nothing special. You don't set anything, push anything. You set it on the can like this and push the button. Some people complain that it may take a little bit long. That's not a problem for me. I always have other things I'm preparing and getting ready. So I just let it do its thing and walk away and come back when it's done, even though it's really not that long. But it is just fantastic. And of course it leaves the non-jagged edge, which I insist on. And it's done. That's it. Finished. Nothing to push, nothing to do. It's hard to lift this off with one hand. Okay, failure on that part, but there.
Waiting for a shot.
That's how it's supposed to be.
types of this Kitchen Mama can openers that when you push the button, it start moving around the can itself and does the job much better than this type. This one you have to hold on the button all the way for it to go around the can. And after a year, it's not doing as well as it did at first. And
At the request of the complaints department, I am making this video to illustrate the failure with this opener. First of all, I place it on with the gear inside, exactly as illustrated in the instructions manual and common with the Star Frit edge cutting can opener. I then press the start button. It engages but does not rotate.